Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by positioning the chassis under the container. Drive slowly and align visually with the container corner castings. You check twist locks, brakes, and trailer height because secure engagement and level support prevent damage. Once aligned, stop with the chassis tongue centered. Make minor adjustments using ground markers or a spotter. You must verify weight and weight distribution to avoid overloading axles. Knowing the why here prevents unsafe lifts and fines, so confirm paperwork and gross weight before proceeding. You now match heights. Crank landing gear or retract chassis legs to within a few centimeters of the container floor so twist locks reach casting smoothly. Then engage each twist lock sequentially, front left, front right, rear right, so the container sits evenly. You listen for the click and push down to confirm engagement. Visual confirmation matters because incomplete locks can shift load. Once locked, use safety pins or clips and torque handles if required. This keeps locks from backing off during transit. You finish by lowering landing gear until it bears weight, then slowly transfer load to the chassis and re-inspect the twist locks. This ensures the chassis supports the container before moving. Next, walk around to check lights, brake connections, and safety chains, then execute a short, slow pull to feel for movement. If you detect shifting or hear unusual noises, stop immediately. Clear causes include incomplete lock engagement or worn components, so red item. Reseat the container or call maintenance to prevent a catastrophe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.